Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about learning Chinese. For many people, Chinese is a very complex language, but I hope that through this channel, you can learn and understand Chinese more easily. Part 1, Basic Knowledge of Learning Chinese. In this part, we will briefly introduce the basics of Chinese, including pronunciation, basic vocabulary, grammar, etc. These are the basics of learning Chinese, and we must first master these basic concepts. Part 2, Analysis of Chinese characters and words. In this part, we will gradually introduce the meaning and origin of each Chinese character and word. Each Chinese character has its unique meaning and background story, and by learning the meanings of these words, we can better understand the Chinese language and culture. Part 3, Chinese Writing and Font Introduction. In this part, we will introduce the basic principles and techniques of Chinese writing, as well as various Chinese fonts. Chinese writing and fonts are very rich and diverse, and we can enrich our Chinese knowledge by learning different fonts and styles. Part 4, Chinese Culture and History. In this part, we will explore the background and history of the Chinese language and culture. The Chinese language and culture have a long history, and by learning the history and culture of Chinese, we can better understand the cultural background and characteristics of China and the Chinese world. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope these contents can help you learn and understand Chinese better. If you like this channel, please remember to subscribe and like, and you are also welcome to leave a comment below to communicate with me. See you next time.